Today we're looking at faceless Facebook pages, more importantly, how you can monetize them. So in this video, I'm going to show you the simple process. We will break down how it works, and here's my guarantee. If you watch this video till the end, you can set this up today. You can steal my setup, and I'll share with you tools and resources to make this all incredibly quick. So why would you listen to me? Well, I've got a number of pages which are monetized on Facebook. And we also had this, I'll show you so you can see up here. This was 2 days ago over in our Faceless Freedom community. And you can see here, look, John over here, he got his Facebook page monetized in 3 weeks. One of his views had nearly 4 million, one of his posts had nearly 4 million views. He's now setting up another 2 pages. And we'll talk about some of the myths and issues that people have around this, okay? So the first one is many people think you need to be doing videos to be getting lots of traction on Facebook. You actually don't. You can see on here, I asked him, was it doing a mix of video or text and images? And you can see here, actually all text with images. And that's very similar to what I have found all over Facebook as well, okay? So for my accounts and also looking at other people's accounts with this, it works in the same way. So you can see over here, this was a post I shared previously about this, where we spoke about earnings, and you can see on here, look, this was the earnings, 7 grand in a month from text, then we had a grand from photos, and then reels was $975. So text posts and image posts work really well on Facebook. So let's talk about the requirements, because again, there's so much myths and nonsense around this. You normally see stuff like this. If you want to get a Facebook page monetized, you need 10,000 followers. Some creators get invited at 5,000. You don't. My Facebook profile over here, in fact, I'll take this all the way to the top so you can see this. I'll attempt to take this all the way to the top. I have got on my account 2k followers. This account over here is monetized. I've got 2 different niche pages with under 3,000 followers. Both of those are monetized as well. So that requirement there, I don't pay any attention to it. 600,000 total minutes views in the past 60 days? Absolutely not. You must have posted at least 5 videos in the last 30 days. Well, again, I haven't done that. And you can see over here, John, who's got his page monetized, he didn't have videos. The main thing I found with this is, obviously, you've got to be over 18 years of age and your page has got to be in good standing. And then obviously you need to be from a country where this is viable for you to start, okay? So let's walk, and I'll show you something else as well, okay? If I go over to the wins tab over here, we have people sharing wins on here. So like John shared this a couple of days ago. I'm going to take this back a few months and see if we can find one on here for you. Because I know when we first released this method of earning on Facebook, we had people go through and set this up. So you can see here, look, Anna. Click on here, look, here are my earnings so far. It's not thousands, but it's better than nothing. $37 from a Facebook page. And I can remember Anna shared as well when she literally got a Facebook page monetized. And like this one over here, look, Consus tested the Facebook method with affiliate marketing. He had 2 sales. This one over here, look, seriously never thought this would be possible. Not a lot, but every penny counts. This is money on Facebook. Facebook update. And you can see, look. So we know this method works, okay? So I'm going to run you through it, and I'm going to share with you some tools and resources to get this all up and running, okay? So step 1 is, let's go to Facebook. What do you need to do? The first thing, obviously, you need to create a Facebook page. But before you do that, you need to turn on the professional mode on Facebook. And you can do that from the dashboard in your profile, okay? And if you don't know how to do that, just simply go to your Facebook profile, go on the dashboard and turn on professional mode. And if you don't, and again, if you don't know how to do that, turn on professional mode Facebook. It's really straightforward and I can't show you on my Facebook here because I've already done that. But you can see on here, look, go to the profile, tap the 3 dots below your name, select turn on professional mode. This feature allows you to monetize content. Straightforward and simple. Once you've done that, you then need to create a page. Now I'm going to show you this. So we would go to here. Now I'm going to have a lot on it, so I'm going to have to blank some of this out. But you can see here at the bottom it says create a new page. So you just simply click on create a page and it walks you through the process of adding stuff. So let me show you an old one that I had, and I'll show you it. So once you create a page, it will land on something like this, and you can edit any part of it. So you can see on here, you can come in and change your bio, you can change your images on here, your picture up here. But basically, this is it. You can go through your category, personal details, etc. So for me, whenever I'm creating any page, I do a banner at the top or an image. I have an image here, and then I have a little bio down here. And if in doubt, all you need to do is do this. You just go over to ChatGPT and ask it to set it up for you, and it will do it all for you, okay? But setting up the Facebook page isn't the hard part at all. Once you've got your page set up like this, we need to be posting daily, and this is the part, daily content. So if we come back over here to this post that John did over here, it took him 3 weeks to get this done, but he posted consistently. And this is the thing with it. You've got to be posting consistently when it comes to any method for earning online. And again, I'll show you this as well. I really want to highlight this, okay? So not this one. This post down here. Where's it gone? Let me go to all. And I'm going to show you this because I think this is really important. So this is what actually happens when you stay consistent. Come down here, look. We don't need more time. We don't need more output. We are literally, and this is the same for most people. Most people are one consistent month away from different results. Not years or days, just if you can focus on something for 30 days, you'll start to see momentum, you'll start to see growth, and it's just brilliant, okay? So any method for earning online requires consistency. Now let's go back over here to our Facebook page. And we're over in ChatGPT. So how would we now start creating content on here? Well, for me, and this is where I said you can get the resources, you can come over to Faceless Freedom, they're over in the classroom. So I'm going to go in the classroom now, and I'm going to scroll down to this one over here, the Facebook method. Now in here, we have got all the training walking you through this. We've got templates and loads more, but we've also got these different softwares. You can see we've got a viral image maker in here. We have got engagement posts. We have got inspiring stories, and we've also got an affiliate. Now, the one I tend to find works really well with this is we have got the engagement posts. This works really good. Okay, so I'm going to click on here, and this will take me over to ChatGPT into this custom GPT. And this is the method that I use whenever I am literally creating any Facebook page, okay? So if I come in here, it will give you a few little things up here. So you can click on these and it'll start making it, or you can just type something in. So I am going to type this in. I am building a Facebook page around cats. Content is a mix of funny posts which attract lots of likes and comments. Let's start. Okay? And it's literally going to do this, look. So now it's going to give me different categories. So it's going to give me funny with memes and stuff. It's going to give me nostalgic, and it's going to give me opinion. So it'll say, look, it'll do the scroll stopping posts, and it'll give me ready to post images. So let's just go with something. Let's go with this one, funny. I'm going to copy. I'm going to paste. I'm going to hit on here, and it's going to start working away for me. So it'll create an image. Once it's done the image for me, it will then move on to the text part of that post, okay? So we've got buzz prompt. It's going to do that. We've got story spark, and we've got a few more. And look, I won't go through them all with you in this video because I don't want it to be really long, okay? So we've got that. The other one that I like to use as well is if I come down here into the software suite and we go to the thread builder, this works incredibly well as well. Well as well, that was a mouthful, wasn't it? So we'll come in here and we'll show you this one as well. So let's come back over here. And what I'm going to do is, all I'm doing is I'm copying this first part, okay? So I'm just going to paste that in here. But again, it's got options up here. You can click any of these and it'll start running. So all I'm going to do here is, I'm going to hit on there and I'm going to leave that one to run. I'm going to come back over here and it says, look, let's come down here. So it's giving me some different types of images. These are perfect for kicking off your cat page, super relatable, da 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 da. It's got a question on here, it's got our captions, and it's got our hashtag. So if we come back up here, this is saying, what weird thing does your cat do? It's basically going with this image over here. Okay? So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to say, great, give me a single image for post 1. And it will create the image for me. So you can see that it's doing that. So if I just scroll back up here now, I would copy this. So that there is the question, okay? And then we've got the caption here. So I would copy them. I would go back on the Facebook page. I would hit on here. And I would paste that in there, okay? So what's the strangest thing you can't do? Let's hear it. We've got our hashtags in here. And then once this is done, oh no, I've gone into the wrong one. Once this is done over here, look, there is our image. It'll ask you if you want to tweak colors and things, but I don't. So all I'm going to do here is I'm going to click on there. I'm going to click on there. I'm going to highlight, I'm going to copy that like so. I'm then going to go back over to Facebook and I'm going to paste it in there. And that would be a post. And you can also obviously look, in fact, we'll do it, okay? So that there is our first post, right? Post, not now. Done. That is it done, okay? So now we need to make sure our page is having daily content on here. So I could literally get the next 3 of those ones done. So for example, oh sorry, let me close that one down. Let me come into here. Okay, so now I'm going to say next post. Next post, please. So as you can see here, this is not difficult. It's not a lot of effort. You don't need to be technical with this. You can just use these GPTs over here. And look, you don't have to be using these. You can obviously create content yourself, but we found, especially over in Faceless Freedom, using the software like this, you can schedule out a full month's worth of content in literally an hour. If that, you can get it done, okay? So this is over in BuzzPrompt, so it's creating, look, so I'm going to click on here. I'm going to come down here, do this, I'm going to highlight that, I'm going to copy it, I'm going to go back to the Facebook page, I'm going to click on here, I'm going to paste it in there, I'm going to go back, I'm going to close this, and then I'm going to get the text. Okay, so look, here's the caption. Got a sassy kitty, drop, copy, come up here, paste it in there, let's do this, and this, and this. So now, I would go on next, but obviously I don't want to post that because I've just done it. So I would go to scheduling, and then I would change it to tomorrow. Tomorrow. And you can change your time on there, and you just click on schedule for later, schedule. That's the following day's post done. Okay, so you can see here, we are using AI to just speed up this whole process. Okay, so that's BuzzPrompt. Let's go back over here into the viral thread builder. So here's a thread. So here's a title, and then we've got our text down here. So we've got another one down here. So these are little simple ones, okay? So now what I would say is, I'm going to say, I like this. I like this. I'm going to paste that in there. Can we expand on this, please? Hit on enter. And the thing is, once you go through this process and you tell it exactly what you want, it'll start building out these even better for you. So you can see, look, this is a starter expansion. So for example, this one over here, I would just copy it. I would go back over to my Facebook page. I would paste it in here, like we've done so far. Paste. And then you can also add an image to it as well if you wanted, but I'd just go through the same process. I would go to next, I would go to scheduling, and I would schedule it for the following day. And this is how we are building out these faceless Facebook pages with the goal of getting them up to originally like $100 a month, 100 quid a month, and then just expand on it from there or start another page. But you can see on here, using a mix of different GPTs, whether we're using BuzzPrompt or whether we're using Viral Thread Builder or any of the other ones that we've got in here, like the Viral Image Maker or the Inspiring Stories down here. These are all just really great for creating your content on your Facebook page, and you can use a mix of them or you can just use one. But the important part is we literally schedule out a month's worth of content. We're putting out daily content, and then we're just going through the process. And as you've seen over here, I mean, if you go back on my YouTube, I shared a video with you the other day how I'd got my third Facebook page monetized. And as you saw over here, John, it took him 3 weeks of doing this. So yeah, any questions, do let me know. I'll see you soon.